Recently, I've noticed something quite odd about this film leader. I think it's leader anyway, and it's just for splicing onto projector films. And I've noticed that it's actually light sensitive. So, if you look at other films that I've used this on, they've actually gone a dark grey colour. I think I've got one that's gone a bit darker than that. I'll just compare them. Yeah, it's a bit darker. So I did an experiment where I've actually put pieces of this inside my camera, not 60mm movie camera obviously, but I put them inside the camera, and this was the result of a 1 hour exposure, and this was the result of a 2 hour exposure. So you can definitely make pictures with it. So I've no idea why it's light sensitive or what it's made out of. I've had a look at it and it's just some sort of white stuff on a clear base. That's all there is to it. And since discovering it's light sensitive, I've been storing it in the dark because it will fade. So all I did was I just put it inside this camera here, and just positioned it carefully vertically inside, and I will show you the results just now. So here's the final results. This here is a 1 hour exposure, and as you can see the contrast is pretty poor. This one here is a 2 hour exposure, and I did that while I went to get some insulated boxes, polystyrene boxes for another project. So most normal camera films are usually about ISO 200. Kodak sell motion picture film that is 50 ISO, and that's the lowest film I'm ever able to find. Now this stuff, I can only really guess, but it must be ISO 0.00001 maybe, since the exposure time for it is so long. So I've just no idea what it's made out of or why it is light sensitive. So if anyone does know, please tell me, because it's quite interesting. And I do have more of this, which has got a purple sort of emulsion on it, so I'm going to do some experiments with that too.